What is an earthquake? Earthquakes one movements of the tectonic plates of the Earth's interior that cause vibration in the ground. Earthquakes can cause serious damage of the people and cities. There have been two strong earthquakes that have destroyed in the cities. An example of earthquakes is the one that occurred in Mexico in the year 1900.
Hello, everybody. Today I will talk about earthquakes. As you already saw in the introduction, here we have all the information. First, we have an interview with Valeria and Mrs. Margarita.
Hi, my name is Valeria, and now I'm going to interview Margarita Perez. Hi, Margarita. I'm going to make you some questions. How old were you when the earthquake hit?
I was 5 years old.
Did you used to investigate about earthquakes?
No, I didn't.
How many earthquakes have lived in your life?
I don't know a lot because it's very frequently to feel them here in Mexico.
Where were you when the earthquake hit?
I was in my home in the kitchen with my mother.
Which is the most powerful earthquake ever had?
I guess the one that happened in 1985.
Did you used to feel earthquakes very often?
Yes,
What was the first thing you did when you felt the earthquake?
I get very scared.
What is the first thing you should to do during an earthquake?
The first thing, maybe keep calm.
Are you used to helping people during an earthquake?
Yes,
Did you used to be afraid to feeling earthquake?
sorry.
Did you used to be afraid to feeling an earthquake?
And no, I guess I. Is that all?
Yes.
We are going to talk about the tragedy of 85.
The 1985 Mexico City earthquake hit in the early morning of 19 September at 7 a.m. with a magnitude of 8.1 Richter scale. The quake caused 5,000 deaths and serious damage to the greater Mexico City area. The event was very violent. The event affected in the central, southern, and western Mexico. The disaster lasted only 2 minutes, but it was enough to cause several problems. The consequence was approximately $8 billion and 900,000 people had to leave their homes. A lot of people got injured because they were sleeping or doing things without imagining that an earthquake would change their lives forever. During the earthquake, people were crying out and running and trying to put their family in a safe place. Everybody was
Finally,
scared.
our partner will that you what to do in case of earthquake.
What to do during an earthquake? If you go outside, head into the open, stay clear of buildings, power lines, or anything else that could fall on you. If you're driving, move the car off the traffic and stop. Avoid park under the bridge or overpass. Try to get clear of trees like posts and seeing some power lines. If you're in a crowded public place, avoid panicking and do not rush for the exit. Stay low and cover your head and neck with your hands and
Thanks
arms.
for your company. Until next time.